welcome to the home of fun. For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is DK. I hope you subscribed. And I hope you stay. I hope you enjoy being this part of this beautiful family that is growing. And to my returning besties, my number ones, my loyal people, but ba dutse mole ko pelong ko class kwalo ko pelong. Welcome, my loves. Welcome. So excuse my voice. Number one, excuse my voice, guys. Go sing. And happy December, guys. Let's say we sleep by chance. Like a chance, guys. I'm just kidding you guys. It's because it's still early in the morning. It's Saturday today. It's the 30th of December. We are officially closing this year, guys. So I just wanted to come here and open this vlog because guys, I always forget. So it's an intro. So I was like, no, let me just start by doing this. So now I just finished washing my face. So guys, I want to start can I get to the skincare routine, you guys. So not routine, just the skincare, like, because now I just wash my skin with water, you guys, and then that's it. And then put on like kind of trim tissue oil, and then that's it. I get me fair. So I want to start something, you guys. So if onali suggestion or what should I use, or the products right for starter, guys, please comment down below, suggest or what is working out for you in wabano. Isn't it so complicated, guys? Like I give at least in total let's a rata, guys, and then after that do again. No. Like, please recommend something, guys. Let me give a little bit this skincare routine, something that is affordable, not complicated to use. Every night now, and then if I don't use it, then suddenly I don't want those things. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I just washed my face, and then I was looking for the eyelash tags here in Flagstop, and then the lady that I trust we like at the 8. So can busy ke check or better, because I just removed the ones against the Bloemfontein. I need to install the new ones. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that today. Install eyelashes, and then we're gonna go to Mozambique with Hub for lunch, and then guys, or what happens. So yeah, bye for now. So I'm done, you guys. I am done. Mare, they did not install them like the way they did in Bloom, like Kwale. So mona like the guys, I just had to work with what I have. So they are like, I guess they be like too close to one another or what, but the ones that I did before, you guys, you need really nice. Like the artificials, they were not like this close to one another. Really nice, man. But take it later, guys. Good luck, like stop. Let me go. I don't think we will go out with the Hub now because it's raining. So I'm just gonna go see my dad, and then Bekia his. So I'll just see you guys. I'll just see. Shapun Batung, Shapun, let me leave.
I'm not sure of what I see. Cupid, don't look me.
Look at
She's looking in my eyes, and I don't see no other guys. Are you telling me this is a sign?
Hi guys, so today is the 31st and I am at home. We're gonna spend the Christmas, the New Year's Eve with my family. So yeah, we're not going out tonight. We're just gonna chill indoors. My friends from Bloom are coming. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, you guys. So I'll catch you later. Bye. Nangu kaya wako je. Oh, I smell like a crab. It's good to make.
Thousand years later.
Hi guys, So today is the 6th of January, 6th of January, you guys. I am going to my friend's birthday celebration. I'm currently home. It's much closer to home. So I just came to just wrap up the gifts and then, yeah, going there now. So I am here, you guys, and I am late. These people, like they are already eating. Yo, never trust me with time, you guys. Let me show you. Oh, it's not visible here. Let me just try to zoom. Can you see someone is holding a plate? Like already, you guys, I am late. I am late. People are already eating. But here, I am here. What matters is that I am here. So here's the birthday girl, you guys.
Hi guys! Hi! Get Smeke! Yay! Bumpita Smeke! Tumelang! Shita wena teka! Bona ka time kana bomfana.
So here's the outfit of the day. Halala, halala. So you guys, look at that dress. It already has stains. Man, guys, already. But to the audacity of eating while I'm not here. Yo, guy. Oh. Where's my
You step out, get some air now. Let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so you, baby, baby, baby.
Hi guys, so there's wind here. Whew. Honale moya guys, we're at the water paradise.
Driving on my empty mindset. I should've keep from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent.
What's the word of the day? And what? Mr. Godlela, what's the word of the day?
That's the word of the day.
And what's the word of the day? Plagiarism.
Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, me lost this shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, ooh, baby, baby, heavy on my empty mindset. I can't keep from losing the best of me. Too worried now, wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go.